Okay, here's a review of an 8-10 KASZA R Series rock splashes and an 18 China wide border, also R Series. Just raw hits, no mics, no compressors, nothing fancy, just straight through this damn tablet's tablet sound. Not gonna get all technical, can't afford to buy all the fun stuff that I'd like to have, but here you go. Here's what it sounds like through that. I will be using well, you can't see it now, but it's a Vader Eternal Black 5A. Ready for this? 8-inch. Cautious. Oh, that's my shitty symbol. Okay. That was the 8. This is the 10. And the China. Throw a little bass drum in it. Do a little punch. Raw sound. Nothing fancy.